Hello, everyone, and welcome to my urinary system presentation. Okay, the main function of the urinary system is to eliminate liquid waste called urea from the body. This system also keeps water, along with chemicals such as potassium and sodium, in balance. The kidney's job is to remove all liquid waste from the blood in the form of urine. This helps to keep a stable balance of salts in the blood. Kidneys also aid in the formation of red blood cells by producing a hormone called erythropoietin. Ureters are narrow tubes which carry urine from the kidneys to the bladder. They do this by continuously tightening and relaxing the muscles on the interior ureter walls. This forces the urine away from the kidneys and down to the bladder. Small amounts of urine are emptied into the bladder every 10 to 15 seconds. You can see the ureters here, these tubes. The bladder has a simple job, which is to store the urine. The walls within the bladder expand to store urine and contract to empty urine through the urethra. See the bladder here. The sphincter muscles help keep the urine from leaking by closing tightly like a rubber band around the opening of the bladder. You can see them here. The urethra is a tube that allows urine to pass outside the body. After the brain signals the bladder to squeeze the urine out, it goes through this passageway. For us males, the urethra goes through the penis. You can see the urethra down here, right here. Okay, construction of the bladder. The bladder is a triangle-shaped hollow organ located in the lower abdomen. It is held in place by ligaments that are attached to other organs and pelvic bones. The detrusor muscle is a layer of the urinary bladder wall made of smooth muscle fibers arranged in spiral, longitudinal, and circular bundles. In males, the base of the bladder lies between the rectum and the pubic symphysis. It is superior to the prostate and is separated by the rectum by the rectovesical excavation. In females, the bladder sits inferior to the uterus and anterior to the vagina. Thus, its maximum capacity is lower than in males. It is separated from the uterus by the vesicular excavation. In infants and young children, the urinary bladder is in the abdomen even when empty. And here is just a larger visual of the construction of the bladder. See the ureter start here, and here you see the bladder. You see the bladder openings, and then the sphincters, and the detrusor muscle is here. Okay, bladder cancer. Cancer is when a tumor builds up in your bladder. It is the sixth most common cancer and is common to old people. Smoking or exposure to certain chemicals can cause this disease. And some symptoms include blood in your urine, a frequent urge to urinate, pain when you urinate, or lower back pain. And some fun facts. The typical healthy adult bladder can store up to 2 cups of urine for 2 to 5 hours. Urine can also be diluted and be used to nurture pot plants. It is a good nitrogen source for the plants. The volume of a urine formed at night is about half that formed in the daytime. You may suffer from stress if the muscles supporting the bladder are weakened. And in order to help this stress, you can help strengthen these by doing pelvic floor exercise. Thank you.